Hi everyone, welcome back to the Legs Down Caravan Travel YouTube channel. Thank you to Andy Morley for the footage for this one as we're heading towards Barnsoul Caravan Park located near Shawhead in Dumfries and Galloway. Do please make sure you check out Andy's YouTube channel and in particular his recent series of vlogs on their Easter getaway which included this site. Right, our journey begins on the A75 heading towards Stranraer. We've bypassed Dumfries, having left the A74M junction 22 at the top of the M6. We've just passed the Drummoor roundabout and we're now just 4.5 miles from the site. The turning you need, which is to the right, is 2 miles after the Drummoor roundabout and it's signposted Shawhead. Follow this road for approximately 1 mile into Shawhead. As you come into Shawhead, please be aware of the primary school on the left hand side there. Soon after that you'll arrive at a T-junction where we'll be turning right. Take a right turn here. As you can see, there's a sign for Barnsoul straight ahead of you. And after 50 yards, take a turn to the left. You're just over a mile from the site now, so just follow this road. It gets a little narrow in places, but generally you can see what's coming the other way, so just take it easy. And here's our turning to the site coming up on the left hand side now. The site accommodates tents and tourers with high standing pitches available for caravans, campervans and motorhomes. There's also glamping options such as pods, bofies, little lodges, and you can have a holiday home here as well. And here we are at Barnsoul Caravan and Camping Park near Shawhead in Dumfries and Galloway. Thank you to you for watching and thank you again to Andy for the footage and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.